Here is the reading for July 31st, 2026. The rolling 30-day window holds 725 screen signals. The window shed 10 net signals. Intelligence shed 2, network shed 3 and diversity shed 5. Material was unchanged. About 24.2 screen signals a day made this window. The totals are material 139, intelligence for 05, network 92, and diversity 89. The current shape is widening material, widening intelligence, balance network, and concentrating diversity. 3 signals explain the shape. Gemini Robotics 2 gives robots whole-body control. Simile raises $200 million to predict human behavior before AI misfires. And Anthropic moves MCP the 28th of July, 2026 into Claude. Hardware, intelligence, and access are moving together. The metric can point, it cannot absolve. Ask whether the combined movement improves service, strengthens workers, and widens practical access, or mainly compounds control. Conscience is down 1 from the prior edition, with a balance reading at 43 out of 100. Widening signals lead concentrating ones by 90. The number is a warning light, not an ethics certificate. With diversity concentrating and network balanced, the pattern earns trust only if power can be questioned, workers share the leverage, customers see real benefit, and the upside reaches beyond the system's owners. That is the conscience test, and the hopeful route through it. Today's discipline is to connect capability to consequence. Name who is better served, whose work becomes more capable, who can challenge the system, and whether the benefit travels beyond the owners. If the evidence ends at funding or a benchmark, the headline has outrun accountability and its human consequence. For the detailed source-by-source Cure evidence, watch today's The Cure Protocol. The link is below this video, where the fresh research, limits, and next targets are laid out in full.